Hello and welcome to the South Ganga Career Institute. English Conversation for Beginners 1.3. Uses of verb to have. Verb to have English language की एक बहुत common verb है और इसके कई रूप है. The verb to have is one of the most common verbs used in English language. It has many forms. Present form of the verb to have. I have. We have. You have. They have. He has. She has. It has. Past form of to have. With all the subjects take, had. For negatives, take. Did plus subject plus have. Example. He had some problems. He did not have any problem. To have के सभी उपयोग. Uses of verb to have. The verb to have has three main uses. मुख्य क्रिया की तरह. As a primary or main verb. सहायक क्रिया की तरह. As an auxiliary verb. Modal verb की तरह. As a modal verb. As a primary or main verb. किसी के पास क्या है या क्या था. To indicate being in possession of something. Examples. I have a pen. She has a big house. I had many friends. किसी परिस्थिति में होना. Being in certain condition or difficulty. Examples. I have a few problems. He had headache yesterday. Verb to eat या the verb to take के पर्यायवाची के रूप में. As a replacement of the verb to eat or the verb to take. Example. I have lunch at 1 a.m. You need not worry, I had breakfast early in the morning. मजबूरी या obligation बताने के लिए. The verb to have is also used as a modal verb to show an obligation or compulsion. Examples. As I go to my office at 6 a.m., I have to get up early. She had to pay fine because she was traveling without ticket. Perfect tenses mean सहायक क्रिया की तरह. The verb to have is also used as an auxiliary verb in perfect tenses. Examples. I have done my work. He has been living in this city since 1985. Some more examples. Our syllabus has been updated. I have to buy a new book this week. Someone stole my book. I had to buy a new book last week. This edition of the book is outdated. I will have to buy a new book next week. Do you have to attend the meeting every Sunday? Did you have to attend the meeting yesterday? Will you have to attend the meeting tomorrow? I have a new car. When I was in Mumbai, I had 3 flats. Pooja has a new cricket bat. Earlier this building has only 10 floors. Now it has 20. My house has marble flooring now. Earlier it had concrete flooring. Pooja has a new car, but she hasn't used it yet. May I have your attention please? Can I have your autograph please? Can I have some tea? Please practice the uses of verb to have with different verbs to achieve fluency. Keep watching our videos and subscribe to our YouTube channel. For more information visit SGCI website. For any assistance feel free to mail us at southganga@outlook.com. Thanks for watching. Best. Team SGCI.